This position is x naught. You can clearly check that here at the topmost position slope is equal to 0, so obviously force is also equal to 0. Now if I displace the particle either leftward or rightward as it moves, unlike the stable equilibrium, here force will act away from the equilibrium position. Correct? So I will write one line. I will write if the particle is disturbed either rightward or leftward from equilibrium position, then force will act away from the equilibrium position, which will accelerate the particle. Right? Hence, the particle will have no chance to come back to x naught. So that is why this point x naught will be called, this point will be called unstable equilibrium. Okay. Just note a little bit. ठीक है ना? Is this clear? Okay. Next we will see neutral equilibrium. So neutral equilibrium, if it is ux versus x graph, then, and again I am taking that this to be the total energy. This is E2, E2 being the total energy. So now we are assuming a particle is here. This is x prime. So as this line is flat and parallel to x axis, so obviously here also force is 0. What we are doing, we are disturbing the particle only a little in the rightward direction. So it comes to a position here, that is x double prime, and you find that here also force is equal to 0, right? So I will write that if a particle is disturbed slightly from x prime rightward, when it comes to x double prime, where also force is equal to 0, right? So each time it goes and it displaced by some margin, it comes to a new equilibrium position. So such kind of equilibrium is called neutral equilibrium. Okay. Arshit, tell me.
सर एक बार अनस्टेबल इक्विलिब्रियम दिखाना.
हाँ, ये है unstable. Sorry. हाँ,
ओके सर.
right. शशि,
सर इस ग्राफ को एनर्जी डायग्राम बोलते हैं क्या सर?
हाँ इसको एनर्जी डायग्राम बोलते हैं. Now, we'll see explanation of types of equilibrium with potential energy. So, if you go back to the previous graph, see when it was stable equilibrium, at stable equilibrium potential energy was minimum because the particle is at the bottommost position of the curve, right? If you think about the unstable equilibrium, it is at the topmost position of the graph. So what we say, first we will explain about stable equilibrium. So we'll write, if a particle is in stable equilibrium, then potential energy of the particle has to be minimum, right? So if the potential energy function is ux, then ux is minimum only when d2u dx2 is greater than 0. That is a condition of maxima and minima we have learned earlier. Okay. So d2u dx2 is greater than 0. In that case, u function of x is minimum, right? Since we know that f is equal to minus of du dx, so df dx is equal to minus of d2u dx2. Now you check if d2u dx2 greater than 0, so we can write df dx must be less than 0, correct? So the conditions of stable equilibrium is d2u dx2 greater than 0 or df dx less than 0, right? And we know that the graph stands like this. We are talking about this position, right? This is ux versus x graph. I hope it is clear. समझ गए? ठीक है ना? Next we will talk about unstable equilibrium. Shashi, tell me.
The previous page, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Wait for 1 minute, sir. Yes.
Unstable equilibrium. So then we will write, if a particle is in unstable equilibrium, then its potential energy has to be maximum, right? So u function of is maximum only when d2u dx2 is less than 0, right? Again, as we know, f is equal to minus du dx, sorry, df dx is equal to minus of d2u dx2. So if this is less than 0, so obviously df dx has to be greater than 0. Psi, so condition is d2u dx2 less than 0, so df dx greater than 0. Okay. So what is the graph? Graph you have seen already. The graph is like this. This is u versus x graph. Professor?
The previous graph, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Right. Fine. So let us come to the last one, that is neutral equilibrium. So for neutral equilibrium, f is equal to 0 everywhere, right? So df dx is also equal to 0, and df dx means d2u dx to 0, correct? We have seen that the graph, the ux versus x graph is a flat line parallel to x-axis. I hope the theoretical part is clear to everyone. Right? Chalo. Let us solve few examples. Through example, we'll get to know properly. So in first example, it is given that in a region potential energy is given by u function of x is equal to ax square minus bx plus c. Shashi, tell me.
Sir, one came two previous pages, sir. Yes, sir.
So within bracket it is given it may be in CR positive constants, right? So what the question is asking, find the equilibrium position, comment on nature of equilibrium and calculate u max or u min. Try it please everyone. Yes, Dinesh, tell me.
Sir, stable equilibrium, sir.
Okay, fine, we will check, do one by one.
DJ,
All of you try, everyone. This is the potential energy given. Try everyone. I will give you a couple of minutes to everyone. Please solve it. Dinesh, Aditya,
सर एक बार पीछे ले लीजिए सर
अच्छा,
पिछले वाला सर एक बार
Shrutik.
sir, once can you show previous page, sir?
Okay, also. Professor.
सर स्टेबल इक्विलिब्रियम होगा क्योंकि जो ग्राफ बनेगा वो पैराबोला होगा और पॉजिटिव वाई एक्सिस को कट करेगा तो वो स्टेबल होगा.
उसमें 3 क्वेश्चन है
उसमें कहानी मत सुना करके फिजिक्स बता कर.
ओके सर.
Yes, Arpit.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Arpit, tell me.
Sir, it is equilibrium at B by 2A
Correct answer, beta.
and it is stable equilibrium, sir.
Very good.
Sir.
Sir, equilibrium at B by 2A and its stable equilibrium and U minimum is 2A.
So let us see. So first of all, what is the first thing you have to do? We have to make f equal to minus du dx, that is equal to minus 2ax plus of b is equal to 0. So x is equal to b by 2a. So there is equilibrium position. If I further differentiate, df dx is coming to be minus of 2a. So df dx is less than 0 means d2u dx2 is greater than 0 means u is minimum. U is minimum refers to stable equilibrium. Now what is the minimum value? U minimum is equal to a into x value is b by 2a whole square minus b into b by 2a plus of c. So it is coming ab square by 4a square minus b square by 4a, sorry, b square by 2a, b square by 2a plus c. 1a got cancelled. So b by 4a minus a, b square by 4a means minus b square by 4a plus c. So I mean u minimum is equal to 4ac minus b square by 4a. That is u minimum. Okay now, fine. Answer me if it is fine for everyone. Respond once, please. Okay, all right. Next, let us get another function. Suppose in next example, we got that in a region, potential energy is given by U is equal to A plus B sine of kx within bracket capital A, B and K are positive constants. All right. Same question. Find the equilibrium position or positions and comment on nature of equilibrium. Do it please. See, first point is U is equal to A plus B sine kx. So F is equal to what? Minus of du dx. Yes, Naita, tell me.
Sir, it is unstable when x is equals to pi by 2k. I mean 4n plus 1 into pi by 2k. It is stable when it is 4n minus 1 into pi by 2k.
Okay, fine. Let us check.
Yeah, okay, sir.
So minus du dx means it will be given as minus, this will be 0, minus bk cos of kx. That is equal to 0. So from here we can get the condition that cos of kx is equal to 0, right? So this is trigonometric general solution. So from trigonometric general solution, I can figure out this value. We know what this is only possible when kx is equal to 2m plus 1 into pi by 2, as m starts from 0, 1, 2 like this. Is it okay now? Everyone, this is clear? Please respond. So x is 2m plus 1 into pi by 2k, right? So from this equation, from this equation, if you take then what we can write from here, as m value is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2 like this. So equilibrium positions are x equal to, if you put 0, it is coming to be pi by 2k. If you put m equal to 1, this is 3 pi by 2k. If you put 2, this is coming to be 5 pi by 2k, and continuing. Is that clear to everyone? Please respond if the equilibrium positions are clear. Please respond. Right now? Yeah. So next thing is that if you check the force got this factor. So if I further differentiate, then df as f is equal to minus bk cos of kx, df dx is equal to c cos minus, so plus bk square sine of kx, right? Now we have a very delicate case here. Why it is very delicate case? Because sine factor fluctuates between plus minus 1, right? It gets fluctuates between plus minus 1. So you have to check correspondingly. How will you check? You check if you take the first value. So if I check the first value, df dx at x equal to pi by 2k, how much you are getting? bk square sine of k into pi by 2k. Cancel. So pi by 2, sine 91. So bk square. This is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, it means d2u dx2 is less than 0. So at that position, d2u dx2 less than 0 means u is maximum. U maximum means which position is this? Unstable equilibrium. Okay. Snehita, correct only now? It's matching. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. 4n plus 1 into pi by 2k.
Yeah. So then next, df dx at x equal to 3 pi by 2k. So this you will write bk square sine of 3 pi by 2. Just telling sine of 3 pi by 2 is equal to, this will become minus bk square. So minus bk square means it is coming to be less than 0. So if it is less than 0, then d2u dx2 will be greater than 0. that means U is minimum. U is minimum means it is stable equilibrium. Correct. Fine. Right. I hope you are understanding. Tell me, is it okay now? Is it clear or not? Are you getting it? Yeah. Then there is a very nice way to judge this. Very nice way to judge this. How will you judge? Suppose I take this as F versus X graph. Right? If it is F versus X graph, I'm sorry, just once. If it is this graph, or you can take U versus X also, it doesn't matter. So this graph is coming like this one. Like this, right? So these are the locations. These are the locations where F is minimum. And these are the locations where F is maximum. So correspondingly you can check, and you can draw U versus X graph also. This is also a sinusoidal graph, right? So from there also you can judge. Anyway, whichever process you prefer. Chalo. So we are going for the next problem. Now, I hope chemical bonding is started in your class in chemistry. So this I am giving from there. This I have already discussed in your class also. Was in a region of space, potential energy is given by U function of R is equal to U naught into R naught by R to the power 12 minus R naught by R to the power 6. Find the equilibrium position and comment on the nature of equilibrium. Chalo, try this. This is going to be our last question. हाँ पुष्कर बोल.
सर प्रीवियस पेज दिखाओ
अच्छा.
थैंक यू सर
So in this case, if you have to just do what you have to do, that first of all U function of R is equal to U naught into R naught by R to the power 12 minus 2 R naught by R to the power 6. This potential is called van der Waals potential. Okay. Van der Waals potential. Interatomic potential you will learn in chemistry. I am not going to discuss in detail. So if you just do F equal to minus du dr, that is equal to 0. You check the calculation, you will get R is equal to R naught. Remember, this R naught value is called a range. And I told this van der Waals potential is nothing but interatomic potential. Correct? So what is this range called? A range means this is here at the range F attractive is equal to F repulsive. And remember, the equilibrium is stable equilibrium. Right? Fine. Chalo, that's all. Okay. See you tomorrow. Today I'm completely drained out. Snehita?
So you didn't write 2 in the question? In UFR.
Oh, I forgot it actually. Stupid. चलो फिर, okay, bye everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye.